welcome to our open house. I'm thrilled to open our doors and share the incredible work happening at our school. As principal, it is my honor to partner with you in supporting your child's academic and personal growth. Tonight is a wonderful opportunity to meet our dedicated staff, explore classrooms, and learn more about the exciting year ahead. We believe that strong relationships between home and school are the foundation of student success. Your involvement, questions, and feedback are always valued and appreciated. We are dedicated to the success of every student and will provide support to ensure all our pioneers learn and grow. Pine Trail Elementary has been recognized as a leader in academic excellence, and with your continued support, there is no doubt that the tradition will continue. Many parents ask how they can support learning in the classroom, and the simple answer is to have your child read every night and you read with them. Most, if not all, subject areas revolve around reading, and we all know that continued practice is crucial. Our PTA is second to none, and we encourage you to sign up and get involved. The PTA here at Pine Trail is an integral part of the fabric of our school, and their support is most appreciative. Please stop by their table on the way out and join this amazing team. School attendance is another component of success, and we want all our pioneers here every day. The old saying is, if you miss a day, you miss a lot, and that holds especially true with education. With that said, we want all our students here every day, on time, and ready to learn. PBIS is another component of our school community. This year, like last year, we will continue to reward classes that demonstrate the high expectations on our campus. Please ask your child what the acronym PRIDE stands for, and if their class has received any prizes so far this year. Finally, this year, we have created the Parent Press that will be sent out each weekend to inform you and your family of upcoming important dates and general information. Also included is the curriculum updates that inform you of this week's benchmarks in reading, math, science, and social studies that will be covered in class this week. This is a great opportunity to start a conversation about what your child is learning in the classroom. I hope you enjoy this evening as you venture into the classroom, and don't forget to stop by the book fair on your way out. Thank you again for your continued support, and have a great evening.